seeing my first bees. First time I'm seeing bees for the spring. And he is soaking up, or she is soaking up the sun. All the creatures worship the sun. All creatures, great and small. Aww. I wonder what this one's doing, because the other ones are all really flying around. Just really digging the sun. Looks like there's a little bit of moisture on that wood. That's why it's chilling there. I don't know. Knowing bugs, he's probably doing something gross. But anyways, he's worshiping the sun. Like, look at what a cool shot that is. Just a little bee worshiping the sun. Alright, little bee dude, I'm gonna leave you alone because you're just, I don't want to disturb ya. So cool.